Good morning, afternoon, or evening. Kevin Lombard here with Lombard Equipment, your collision equipment specialist. With me today I have Duke. Yes, I know, you'll get to you in a minute. Platz. He's always chomping to get when he sees some of these, the value that we have with this refurbished equipment, he gets excited. Don't blame him. This we have today, this Car-o-liner welder, as you're going to see in the video, it's in excellent condition. This is one of the newer models, by the way. This has 12,000 amps of welding power. It is liquid cooled to the electrodes, and it has with it 3 arms. It also has a brand new protective cover still in the wrapper. It's got the 20-foot leads on it. This is this is semi-automatic. Awesome welder, folks. And normally these welders sell in the mid to upper 20s, depending on where and when you buy it. This we have for $10,900. It's clean, it welds nice, it hasn't been used a lot. It's got, like I said, everything with it. If money's been an issue, and I'll say one thing that's for the auto body industry, if you're struggling to find good technicians and you don't have a spot weld and you say, I'm not spending $30,000, problem solved. Call the 800 number now. Seriously, now's the time, guys. This is it right here. CTR7.